Hi everyone. In today's video I will show you how scan Zoom QR code. First you need to have an app like I do, QR code scan, to scan the code QR. Go directly into your Play Store or App Store. For me, I already have an app that scans the code QRs for me. So for you, if you don't have one, go to the search bar and type code QR scan. So it will be good if you choose an app that has a high rating, okay, and down and install it. For me, I'm using QR code scan, this application. So let's say your teacher, okay, your uncle has a meeting on Zoom, and he sent you the QR code. So to scan that QR code, you will just open that QR code on your laptop or on the other phone, and then you will use this QR code scanner. Let's get into it. Okay, and you will just scan it. Okay, then they told you to open URL in Google, so you just click on that URL. Okay, alright. So the QR code has worked for us, and we are on the meeting already, and that's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.